A very warm welcome to our cybersecurity training for employees.
And a very good day to you. Let's delve into password policy.
Password policy. Password is the key to the wealth of sensitive information. It has to be kept safe.
Your password should be complex, with at least 12 characters and a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Passwords with 8 or fewer characters can be cracked almost instantly. Periodically update your passwords, especially for sensitive accounts such as email, banking, and social media. Change your passwords immediately if you suspect they have been compromised.
Use two-factor authentication or passwordless login whenever possible. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of verification, such as a code sent to your phone in addition to your password.
Never reuse passwords across multiple accounts. This helps minimize the risk of multiple accounts being compromised if one password is leaked. Also, avoid writing them down on paper or storing them in unsecured documents or files. Thank you for watching.